Before buying PureVPN, there are 12 key things you need to know to help decide if it's the right choice for you, especially with all the other VPN options out there. So, let's dive in. The first thing to consider is PureVPN's server network. With over 2,000 servers in 140 plus countries, it provides extensive global coverage, offering more options than many competitors. Whether you're in a remote location or need access to region-locked content, this could be a big advantage. Next thing, PureVPN offers strong security features, including AES 256 encryption, which is the industry standard. This means your data is well protected when using public Wi-Fi or accessing sensitive sites. While other VPNs like NordVPN and ExpressVPN also offer this level of encryption, it's reassuring to know that PureVPN keeps your data secure. The third thing, PureVPN has a no-logs policy. This is crucial for privacy-minded users, but it's important to note that they've had a history of logging incidents in the past. Although PureVPN claims that they've fully overhauled their practices, it's something to keep an eye on if you're looking for absolute privacy. The fourth thing to know is its performance. While PureVPN can offer decent speeds, especially with nearby servers, it can be inconsistent compared to top-tier competitors like ExpressVPN. If speed is your primary concern, other services might provide a smoother experience. Next thing, PureVPN offers a range of protocols, including OpenVPN, eKev2, and its own WireGuard implementation. While this adds flexibility, some users may prefer the simplicity of services like NordVPN, which focus on their own refined technology. The sixth thing to keep in mind is its split tunneling feature. This allows you to route some of your traffic through the VPN while leaving other traffic on your regular connection. It's a great feature if you need to access local services while keeping your browsing secure. The seventh thing is that PureVPN works well with streaming services like Netflix, BBC iPlayer, and Hulu. If streaming is a priority, you'll be happy with the access PureVPN provides to geo-blocked content. But it's worth mentioning that some competitors are known to bypass restrictions with greater consistency. The eighth thing, PureVPN has apps for all major platforms: Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and even routers. It's a solid offering, though the apps can feel a bit less polished compared to services like ExpressVPN, which have a more user-friendly design. The ninth thing is their pricing structure. While PureVPN is often cheaper than premium VPNs, especially if you're opting for a longer-term plan, it's still worth noting that other budget options like Surfshark often offer similar features at lower rates. The 10th thing, PureVPN has a 31-day money-back guarantee. This gives you a month to test the service risk-free. It's a good safety net, but be sure to review their refund process, which has been questioned by some users in the past for being a bit complicated. The 11th thing is customer support. PureVPN offers 24/7 live chat, but response times can be slow, and the quality of support can vary. While they're generally helpful, some users have reported mixed experiences compared to the more efficient support offered by top-tier VPN providers. Finally, the 12th thing, PureVPN is a good choice for most users, offering strong security, good speeds, and a solid range of servers. But if you're looking for the very best, you might want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free. So, is PureVPN a good option? Yes, but make sure to weigh these factors before committing. If you're looking for something that may suit your needs even better, feel free to check out our top recommendation and give it a try.